Are you tired of spending endless hours chasing leads and making follow-up calls that go nowhere? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can make calls for you, book appointments, send follow-ups, and even update your CRM while you focus on closing deals? Today I'm reviewing Awaz, the AI voice agent platform that's changing the game for businesses, agencies, and entrepreneurs who want to automate their outreach without sounding like a robot. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how this works, the pricing breakdown, and whether this AppSumo lifetime deal is actually worth your money. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews and AI tool breakdowns. And if you want a complete step-by-step tutorial on setting up your first AI calling campaign with Awaz, drop a comment below and let me know. The link to grab this deal is in the description and pinned in the first comment, so check that out after watching. Now let's talk about what Awaz actually is and why it's getting so much attention right now. Awaz is a no-code platform that lets you build human-like AI voice agents that can handle inbound and outbound calls 24/7. These aren't basic automated messages that sound robotic and make people hang up immediately. The AI voice agents sound genuinely natural with realistic pacing, pauses, and conversational flow that adapts to how people respond. You can create agents that make cold calls, answer customer support inquiries, schedule appointments, qualify leads, and send follow-up messages through SMS, WhatsApp, and email. The platform is designed for customer support teams, marketing agencies, small businesses, sales teams, and entrepreneurs who need to scale their outreach. Without hiring an army of callers, what makes Awaz different from other automation tools is how it handles real conversations. The AI can manage interruptions, maintain context throughout the discussion, and even adjust its speaking pace based on how the conversation is flowing. It supports over 30 languages and accents, so you can deploy agents that sound natural to audiences in different regions around the world. And here's the kicker, these agents can handle thousands of calls simultaneously, which means you can reach massive audiences without any bottlenecks. Setting up your first AI agent is incredibly straightforward because the platform is built for people who don't have coding experience. You simply create an agent, train it with your business information and scripts, configure the call flow and responses, and deploy it to start making or receiving calls. The customization options for prompts and call flows are super flexible, so you can tailor the experience to match your brand voice and specific use cases. You can integrate Awaz with tools you're already using like Salesforce, Zoho, Go High Level, Google Calendar, Twilio, Zapier, and Make. These integrations turn Awaz from just a calling tool into a complete workflow automation hub centered around voice interactions. For example, when a call ends, the AI can automatically log the interaction in your CRM, send a follow-up email or SMS, and schedule the next touchpoint on your calendar. The platform also includes sentiment analysis, which means it can detect emotional cues during conversations and route calls to human agents when needed. This feature is huge for customer support because it ensures that frustrated or confused customers get personalized attention before things escalate. You also get access to detailed analytics and reporting so you can track call volume, engagement rates, conversion metrics, sentiment trends, and review full call recordings and transcripts. Now let's talk about the AppSumo lifetime deal because this is where you need to pay close attention to what you're actually getting. The deal starts at $49, which is a 95% discount from the original $997 price tag. There are 4 license tiers available, and each one comes with different per minute calling rates and feature limits. Tier 1 at $49 gives you one AI agent, one user, one calendar, 30 AI call minutes per month, and 40 cents per minute for additional calls. Tier 2 at $129 includes 5 AI agents, 3 users, 3 calendars, 30 AI call minutes per month, and 34 cents per minute for extra calls. Tier 3 at $299 offers 20 AI agents, 10 users, 10 calendars, 30 AI call minutes per month, and 30 cents per minute beyond that. Tier 4 at $499 provides unlimited AI agents, unlimited users, unlimited calendars, 30 AI call minutes per month, and 20 cents per minute for additional usage. All plans come with a 60-day money-back guarantee and lifetime access, which means you pay once and own the software forever. But here's what you need to understand about this lifetime deal structure. While you get lifetime access to the platform features, the included 30 AI call minutes per month across all tiers won't be enough for most serious use cases. If you're planning to run actual calling campaigns or handle significant customer support volume, you'll be paying for additional minutes beyond the included allocation. The per minute rates decrease as you move up the tiers, so Tier 4 at 20 cents per minute offers the best economics if you're planning high call volumes. For businesses with serious outreach needs, Tier 2 or higher is recommended because you get more agents to deploy and better call cost per minute. One thing to note is that Awaz relies on third-party integrations like Twilio for full functionality, which might require additional setup or separate costs. But even with the pay-per-minute model, the economics can still work out really well compared to hiring actual callers or traditional call center solutions. Let me give you some real-world use cases so you can see how this actually works in practice. For sales teams, you can deploy AI agents to make cold calls, qualify leads based on their responses, book appointments directly on your calendar, and send personalized follow-ups through SMS or email. Marketing agencies can use Awaz to handle client appointment scheduling, run re-engagement campaigns for inactive leads, conduct surveys, and gather feedback, and provide 24/7 support for campaign inquiries. Customer support teams can automate inbound call handling for common questions, route complex issues to the right human agents based on sentiment analysis, send automated updates about order status or service issues, and scale support without hiring more staff. Small businesses and entrepreneurs can use it for appointment reminders and confirmations, lead nurturing sequences that combine calls and messages, event registrations and follow-ups, and debt collection or payment reminders delivered professionally. The bulk calling feature lets you upload lists and call up to 1 million numbers per minute, which is insane for anyone running large-scale outreach campaigns. And because the AI handles the actual conversation, you're not just leaving voicemails or sending impersonal messages. These agents can have real back and forth discussions, answer questions, handle objections, and move prospects through your funnel. What are actual users saying about Ava's quality and performance? Early adopters consistently praise how natural the voice agents sound with human-like pacing and pauses that don't trigger that immediate "this is a robot" reaction. The platform handles real-world deployment scenarios effectively, meaning it works when you actually launch campaigns with real customers and prospects. Campaign setup and integration processes are straightforward, even for people who aren't technical or don't have development experience. The automated SMS and WhatsApp follow-ups have been shown to boost meeting schedules and conversion rates significantly. Users also appreciate that the support team is responsive and actually takes feature requests seriously, which is rare for AI platforms in this space. On the downside, some users mentioned that the 30 included minutes per month across all plans is quite limited for businesses with high call volumes. Call costs beyond the included minutes can add up quickly if you're not careful about budgeting and forecasting your usage. And while the integrations are solid, some advanced workflows might require Zapier or make connections, which add a slight learning curve. So is the Awaz lifetime deal actually worth it? If you're running any kind of outreach, sales, or customer support operation and you're tired of manual calling and follow-ups, this tool can genuinely transform your workflow. The $49 entry point is incredibly low risk with the 60-day refund window, so you can test it with real campaigns before committing. However, Make sure you understand the per minute cost structure and budget accordingly because the included 30 minutes won't last long in production use. For solopreneurs and small teams doing moderate outreach, Tier 1 or 2 makes sense to start and see how it performs for your specific use case. For agencies and growing sales teams planning significant call volumes, Tier 3 or 4 offers better economics and removes limitations on agents and users. The ability to deploy unlimited agents at Tier 4 is particularly valuable if you're serving multiple clients or running campaigns across different products or services. Remember that this is a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and avoid monthly subscription fees that would normally cost hundreds of dollars every month. If you end up using Awaz consistently for outreach or support, the lifetime access pays for itself incredibly quickly compared to traditional calling solutions or hiring staff. The platform is still evolving and adding features, so getting in at this price gives you access to future updates and improvements without paying extra. One strategic advantage is the multilingual capability, which opens up international markets without needing separate teams for different languages. If you're expanding globally or serving diverse customer bases, having AI agents that speak 30 plus languages naturally is a massive competitive edge. The sentiment analysis and call routing features also mean you're not sacrificing quality for automation because complex or emotional situations still get human attention. So here's my final verdict. If you need to scale outreach, automate appointment setting, or provide round the clock support without scaling headcount, Awaz is absolutely worth checking out. The lifetime deal pricing represents serious value, especially at the higher tiers if you can forecast meaningful call volume over the next year. Just be realistic about your usage, understand the per minute costs, and start with a tier that matches your actual needs rather than overbuying or underestimating. The link to grab this AppSumo lifetime deal is in the description and pinned in the first comment, so make sure to check that out. If you found this review helpful and want to see more deep dives on AI tools for marketing, sales, and automation, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And seriously, if you want a complete tutorial where I walk through setting up your first AI calling campaign step by step, comment below and let me know. I read every comment and your feedback helps me create the content that's actually useful for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next review where we break down the tools that actually move the needle for your business.